The part that gets stuck in my head the most, I can't help it, I will find my way back to you. It's like got such a fucking neat little Cranberries thing going on to it. Back to you. And you could even do the super enveloped fucking back to you. At the end of it, I'd do a double up. Back to you. Thinking about you. Something like that. Have to haunt. I'd love to haunt. I'm trying to get of and haunt closer.
Oh, okay.
I just love to haunt.
Dreaming.
Oh,
Fucking
that's a great tune. It's a great tune.
Incredible.
Thank you.
Okay, what's awesome?
Thank you, mate.
Yeah, and I've had it stuck in my head for fucking days, so.
Okay,
that's great.
I'm so excited where it's going to go.
Do you see that guy's brain just working? Just pouring out ideas. I felt so stupid. I was just like, that is a genius.
Wow, right, save it again.
Save it.